Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, knowing how to securely transfer your Bitcoin from Coinbase to a Tangem wallet is a must. It's a simple process that puts you in control of your digital assets, reducing risks and giving you full ownership. In this video, I'll walk you through each step clearly and quickly, so you can do it yourself in no time. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase account and a Tangem wallet set up. If you haven't already, download the Tangem app and verify your wallet. It's user-friendly and adds an extra layer of security with its hardware features. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account on your computer or mobile app. Head over to your dashboard and select the Accounts tab. Find your Bitcoin wallet, it should show your current balance. Step 2. In the Tangem app, go to the Receive section. This will generate a unique Bitcoin address for your wallet. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check to avoid any errors. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, click on Send or Withdraw next to your Bitcoin balance. Paste the Tangem wallet address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Remember, Coinbase might charge a network fee, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Step 4. Review the details thoroughly. Make sure the address is correct and the amount is what you intended. Once you're confident, hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Coinbase. Step 5. Wait for the transaction to process. Blockchain transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, open your Tangem app to verify that the Bitcoin has arrived in your wallet. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Bitcoin. Always prioritize security by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. If you run into any issues, reach out to Coinbase or Tangem support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.